In this video, we are going to make stir-fried beef. The main ingredients we are going to use are round cut beef, white onion, poblano pepper, garlic, ginger, and dried chilies. You can use any other kind of peppers for this dish if you want a spicier result. Before we start, we freeze the meat for a short period of time to make it easier to slice it thinly, preferably about an hour. We cut the beef into thin slices that are about 2 mm thick. Cut until all the beef is sliced and place the slices in a bowl. Next, peel the ginger and then peel the garlic. If you smash the garlic first and then try to peel it, it'll be easier. Cut the garlic cloves into thin slices. Then cut the ginger into small sticks and mince further into smaller pieces. Collect other half of the ginger and place in a mortar. Grind the ginger in the mortar until the pieces are smashed, but you don't have to grind into fine pieces. Gather the ginger in a cheesecloth and tightly wrap the cloth around the ginger. Get a small bowl, then start to squeeze the ginger over the bowl. Squeeze until you collect as much ice of the ginger juice as possible. You will need about 5 grams of juice for this recipe. When you have enough, dilute the juice with water until you have about 100 grams of total liquid. Next, add a teaspoon of salt to the beef. The salt will release water from the beef. Mix well throughout. After you mix, add in 1 egg white to the beef and mix throughout again. The egg white will help the meat become tender when cooking. Then, gradually add the diluted ginger juice to the beef. Mix and stir the beef around in one direction. You will start to feel the beef begin to stick to your fingers. After all the juice has been added, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix once more very well. The cornstarch will coat the beef to prevent the beef from coming into direct contact with heat. Finally, add about a tablespoon of oil and mix again one last time. The oil will help prevent the beef slices from sticking to each other. Now, cut and slice all your peppers into long, thin pieces. Remove and brush off as much of the seeds as possible. Next, cut your onion into rough thin slices. It is usually best to have a similar shape as you have cut your peppers. We are also going to add 2 small Thai chilies to give this dish a small kick. Place the cut pieces along with ginger and garlic. Finally, we cut open the dried chilies and push out as much seed as possible. Heat up a large pan, and once it is hot, put in some oil. When the oil is ready, toss in the beef. Stir the beef until it turns lightly brown and most of its water has evaporated. Take out the beef and allow the excess water and oil to drain. Wipe the pan and place new oil in. When the oil is ready, add in the dried chili, followed by garlic, ginger, and Thai chilies. Fry this together until you can start to feel their aroma. At this time, mix in the onion and fry all together until the onion begins to become translucent. Then, add in the beef and fry. Pour in a little bit of soy sauce for light salt and some dark soy sauce for color, and then about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce for rich flavor. Cook for a bit and then finally add in your peppers. Fry for about 5 seconds, and then it is ready to be served. This dish tastes the best when it's served hot.